Esme don't have enough.
Oh, we love you.
SD cards.
Oh, boy, what? It was good, isn't it? So many creases. So many baby creases. Yes, look under the chin, huh? What's this big chin for? Huh? Mama's been feeding you. Wow, look at this chin. Look at that chin.
Good.
If you like to, or if you like to be held, where you'd like to have his head over the water, we can do that too, whatever you
Yeah,
like.
I think that's what we should do.
Okay, would you like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Chin up his neck. Very
Mom,
good.
can you grab his IVs?
Yeah.
This
This
diaper.
right here? Yep. There.
Do you want the mask too?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, there. Lay that right on top. No, don't lay it on my arm.
Okay, I got it. There we go. Yep. If we need this, you let me know. Oh, look at that pretty hair. Shampoo.
Give her.
Yeah. Oh, that'll feel so good. Have that warm water on your hair.
Gentle, 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 gentle.
Yeah. It's okay. Yes. Oh, boy. Now, the only thing you need to do that you haven't done is to potty on Daddy right now.
Don't.
You need to potty on Daddy right now. Every daddy needs to be squirted at least once. Oh, good boy. And that's fine if you
Mom,
want
can
to.
you put that
Oxygen?
mask on him?
Uh-huh. Sure.
You feel better.
Yawner.
Oh!
Yeah. There. Oh, boy.
Okay, baby.
Okay.
Are we done?
Yep.
Can you do the back?
We're done.
Are we gonna
Oh,
take a
hey. Gotta.
video?
How am I
Sorry.
supposed
Okay,
to
here
do
we go.
this?
Just very gently, however you want it to be.
He's all curly.
I know, because it's wet. Curly hair.
ちょっと癖っ気じゃないほら、くるくる。
I like his curls.
Uh-huh.
Should we do... You know what? Let's just leave it curly.
Uh-huh. Pretty. Handsome. Not
I like
pretty.
his curls.
Yeah.
All over.
Handsome.
Good looking.
Handsome.
Alright.
Good looking. Alright, where's
Handsome
the diaper?
boy. Down in the drawer right underneath you.
aren't you? No.
Body
You're
oil.
nervous. You don't want to
That's
get
just
squirted.
next.
No, I wouldn't want to lay exposed in front of a bunch of cameras either.
There we go. There we go. Big boy. Yep. There, big boy.
上手だね、シェフ。
They impress how good you are to diaper.
Oh, I'm a pro.
Lots of practice on Joshua.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I heard that
Oops.
water running and I thought it was on
that's
you.
yeah. Yep. Gotta get your bracelet back on there, buddy.
Here, bud.
Yeah.
He's all clean.
Oh, and you smell good. Smell
Body
so
oil.
good.
Body oil.
Smells so good. Mm-hmm. Handsome boy. So see, usually this can come right out, but they'll do that. David found that out the quick way one day.
What's that?
Jessica had a line like that.
Oh, and he pulled it
and
out?
he just pulled it right out one day.
Oh my.
They don't even feel it because it's so skinny, but until the end, and then they go.
Yeah.
He was kind of mad at her.
I bet.
He's all greasy.
Yes, all nice and oily. Okay, now your little shirt. Good. You go like this. slide that on. Here we are.
Oh, I guess it's long enough.
Yes, it's perfect.
ちょうどいいね。
Mom, hold this.
I will be glad to.
Check the heat on it.
Hold this too.
Uh-huh, I got it. Hey, little man. Gonna make you handsome. Get you all dressed up.
It's okay.
No. Very good. Good boy. Yep. Good. That's it. Inside. Oh, look at that handsome
ここのところ
boy.
さ、こういつも皮膚が
He
つ
looks
いちゃうから、オイル少し塗ってあ
wonderful.
げるといいかな。
Is he a new man?
He is. Smells good, looks good.
うちのお嬢さんだったんだね。
ああ、ジョーさんの可愛いよね。
でも男の子だから青いのがいいねって。
え、ゾウさんのは黄色だっけ？
そうそう。
Hi, Theo.
There we go. Let's get a nice picture for Grandpa without all this plastic here on you.
Okay.
Oops, can you, turn his head just a tiny. There we go.
You guys